first, make sure you have connected your HP printer to Windows. To learn how to do it, watch my other video, link in the description. Go to your printer, open the cover, and lay down your paper like this from the top right corner, facing down. Close the cover. Now come back to your computer. On your desktop, select HP DeskJet. It will take some time to connect to your printer. Now in order to scan, select scan a document or photo. Here you could choose one of these settings, and then you could adjust the scan size, output type. You could increase the resolution to get a better quality scan. You could also select whether the item is document or a photo, or whether you want to save it as a PDF or an image. Once you're happy with the settings, click on scan. After a while, it will show you a preview. You could use these outlines to crop to the area of the document that you're interested. You could also adjust your contrast and brightness. Once you're happy, click on save. Then give a file name and then click on save. Again, it would take some time to scan the document, and then it would automatically open the folder. Double click on it to open it, and here you could see the scanned results.